Let's learn English and Indonesian sentences in 3 minutes.
He always puts me down in public. He always puts me down in public. Dia selalu menjatuhkan saya di depan umum. He always puts me down in public. You can take the shortcut. You can take the shortcut. Kamu bisa ambil jalan tikus. You can take the shortcut. Do you mind if I use your bike? Do you mind if I use your bike? Boleh nggak kalau saya pakai sepedamu? Do you mind if I use your bike? Is it okay for me to use your bag? Is it okay for me to use your bag? Boleh nggak kalau saya pakai tasmu? Is it okay for me to use your bag? He's down to earth. He's down to earth. Dia orangnya rendah hati. He's down to earth. I worked all day long yesterday. I worked all day long yesterday. Saya bekerja seharian kemarin. I worked all day long yesterday. I like sunny side up. I like sunny side up. Saya suka telur mata sapi. I like sunny side up. We can talk and have tea. We can talk and have tea. Kita bisa ngobrol dan minum teh. We can talk and have tea. She's in the spotlight. She's in the spotlight. Dia lagi jadi bahan pembicaraan. She's in the spotlight. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Saya akan segera kembali. I'll be right back. Don't make a fool of yourself. Don't make a fool of yourself. Jangan membuat malu diri sendiri. Don't make a fool of yourself. I can't stay here too long. I can't stay here too long. Saya nggak bisa lama-lama di sini. I can't stay here too long. It's my turn. It's my turn. Sekarang giliranku. It's my turn. Don't do that anymore next time. Don't do that anymore next time. Jangan lakukan itu lagi lain kali. Don't do that anymore next time. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Tunggu sebentar. Wait a minute. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih sudah menonton.